Doves symbolize peace and love in many cultures around the world. These small, gentle birds belong to the family of pigeons and are known for their grace and beauty. Doves have a sleek, slender body with soft feathers that come in various shades of blue, gray, and sometimes with touches of pink, green, or purple. Their most distinctive feature, however, is their delicate wings, which produce a cooing sound when they fly. The reason behind the dove's association with peace can be traced back to ancient mythology and religion. In Greek mythology, Zeus released two birds, the eagle and the dove, to decide the fate of Prometheus, a titan who had stolen fire from the gods. The eagle represented vengeance, while the dove stood for peace. The dove won, and Prometheus was set free. In Christianity, the dove is a significant symbol. According to the Bible, a dove appeared after Jesus was baptized in the River Jordan, symbolizing the Holy Spirit descending upon him. Today, the dove is often used as a symbol of the Holy Spirit in Christian art and iconography. But why do doves coo? Doves produce a cooing sound as a form of communication. They use these soft, melodious sounds to express a range of emotions, from affection to anxiety. Interestingly, doves also use cooing to attract mates and maintain relationships. Doves are also known for their loyalty and devotion. In captivity, doves have been known to mourn their dead mates for weeks, which led to the popular saying, "a mourning dove." This loyalty extends to their nests, as doves will often return to the same nesting site year after year. In terms of conservation, doves face various threats, including habitat loss due to urbanization and hunting. However, they are not currently considered endangered, thanks in part to conservation efforts. So, the next time you hear a dove's gentle coo, remember, you're listening to a symbol of peace, a symbol of love, and a symbol of loyalty. And maybe, just maybe, you're hearing the soft whispers of an ancient bird that has stories to tell.